Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fim Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman.
Lego Yo! Season 87, UP Fighting Maroons. Let's run it down. I'm just basing this from the team photo nila nung media day nila. If we count all of these, they are composed of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. Tama bilang ko. Okay, sasayin natin.
17.
Chico Briones, Aldous Torculas, Terry Ortea, Denzel Walker, Nico Tan, Sean Alter, JD Kagulangan, Francis Lopez, Janjan Felisilda, Mark Belmonte, Jacob Baila, our captain Jerry Abadiano, Dikachi Ududo, Harold Alarcon, Raylan Torres, Seven Gagate, and Gani Stevens. Plus, Quinton Meliora Brown. So, 70
Yup.
pala. Okay, so actually hindi ko alam kung ilan dapat ang nasa team. Pero ang alam natin dapat 16 yan di ba?
16.
So hindi tayo sure kung
Baka tatanggalin pala dyan si Maymay. Biro lang.
si Francis.
Si Francis.
Okay. So bilangin natin ilan ang rookies dito sa team na to. We have Denzel, Nico, Jacob, si Gani. Addition na lang. Addition. Sabihin natin additions. No? Si Gani. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4? 4. Denzel Walker, Nico Tan, Jacob Baila, Quinton Miller Brown pala, Gani Steven. So 5 pala, QMB. So kung isipin mo, 5 ang bago, 12 ang holdovers. And we've been saying it, our team is intact. Our team is a veteran team compared to the other teams in the UAP. And it showed naman nung preseason, no? So if you say we're hyping the team up, we're just basing it on facts na maganda yung kinalabasan ng preseason natin. You can't deny that. But again, as we said, after Phil Oil, iba pa rin yung laro sa UAP. And considering what we said, after Phil Oil, which we played a totally different lineup compared to the lineup we have now, basing it on the addition of QMB. Diba? Sobrang iba yung makikita natin ngayon from what we saw nung Phil Oil. Phil Oil na lang. Kasi yun yung ano talaga, again, as mentioned, yun talaga yung tournament na closest possible yung lineup sa season. Okay? So back then, our centers were Sean Alter, Gani Stevens, Dikachi Ududo, Seven Gagate. Yun yung mga options natin sa center. Now, we have a legit 6'10 center in
QMB.
Laura Brown. So, di ba? Okay, sige, I'm rambling here. So, what do you think of our lineup coming into season 87?
Ang una kong worry talaga, yung loss ni Malik. Kasi from season 84, nandun na siya eh.
Yep.
Until last season, and ilang seasons yun na highly successful. Diba? Yung team, puro finals. Merong isang championship. Eliminations lagi tayong top 2. So, and it's all because of malaking part nun yung presence ni Malik inside, both offensively and defensively. Tapos nung mawawala na siya, naisip ko, sinong papalit sa kanya? Paano natin i-replace yung contribution niya? Tapos, tinignan ko yung line na parang, ang dami pa natin big men na, alam mo yun, puro more than capable of replacing Malik. Kasi, Gani Stevens, starter sa UE. Sean Alter, alam naman natin, magaling nga maglaro. Si Udodo, naka 43 points, 20 rebounds nung preseason.
Di siya
So,
yun.
siya yun.
Naruka yun. Siya rin ba?
Alam ko, siya, hindi ba siya? May nakita ko post siya eh.
Sinaruka isa. Siya yung nag-dominate dun sa isang liga na ano. Si Digachi din ba?
Ay,
Si Digachi
hindi ba si Digachi?
Francis Naruka yun. Yung isa pa nating ano.
Okay. Mali pala ako. Pero magaling din yan.
Of course. Oh.
Tapos, papasok pa si QMB
Yep.
na, alam mo yun, 6'10", imposing. So parang, mamimiss ba talaga natin si Malik? Diba? Yung kagad yung naisip ko sa lineup natin ngayon. Mamimiss ba natin siya talaga? Yun, nung nakita ko yun, parang, okay, ang dami pala natin big men. Hindi na ako worried masyado.
Yes.
Kasi, the rest, nandiyan na yan from last seasons eh. So, yun. Wala akong masyadong worries. Tingin ko we're in good hands. Yeah.
Oh, syempre on paper, yun yung ano natin. Yun yung tingin natin.
Oh, on paper syempre.
Pero kapag naglaro na, hindi natin alam pa rin kung paano mag-match up to other teams yung players natin, yung sistema ng coaches natin to the game plans of the other teams. So, ano pa rin eh. Marami pa rin tayong aabangan. If you run it down, may nagsabi rin sa akin isang ibon. So, the team, the preseason of the team, kung bibilangan natin lahat, they joined Pinoy Liga. They joined Phil Oil. After Phil Oil, the team flew to Serbia for a preseason camp there. And of course, syempre, what's a preseason camp without games? Diba? So, syempre, hindi sila ma-tune up doon. So, balik sila ulit ng Pilipinas sa Serbia. After Pilipinas naman, nag-Korea naman ang team natin. No? So, Korea, syempre, again, they faced tune-up games there as well against KBL teams. Then, balik ulit ng Pilipinas. Lastly, Taiwan naman. Itong huling liga na pinanalo din natin. When I was told na magka-Taiwan ang team, akala ko yung Blia Cup na alam natin dati. Wala, iba. Ibang tournament naman, no? So, more or less, so, ang total ng laro ng team natin, preseason games, almost 50 games.
Damn.
I believe. Nasa ganun number. And meron din mga tune-up dito nung bumalik sila, di ba? Kasi there were KBL teams here as well. Preparing for the KBL season. I'm sure you've heard about that. Yung ibang sila Carl, di ba? Sila Carl nakalaban yung Lasal din. Obis, Soul SK Knights. Yun. So, ang daming laro. Heading into season 87 ng team natin.
Tapos naka-gold medal pa si Jan sa Olympics.
Akala
Tatlong episode na tayo, di pa natin nasa shoutout man lang yung player natin na naka-gold medal sa Olympics 2 beses.
Our golden boy. Shout out to you.
Jan. Ay, Kaloy. Ay,
sino ba?
Sino ba? Ano pa pangalan mo talaga?
Teka, hindi ako sure. Kailangan natin check sa kanya. Our backup point guard, Janjan Felicilda, who's our favorite here in ano. Okay, having said all that, so, siyempre, itong pinakaabangan ng lahat. Nax. Meron tayong pinipiling X factors kada season, di ba? Ito na yung fifth time
Mhm.
natin.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Sisimulan ko na sa akin. And for, if
Go.
I'm not mistaken, may season din ako na dalawa yung pinili ko eh. So baka last season yun or what. If you guys remember, comment down below. Pero this season, dalawa din yung sa aking X factors. Dalawa sila, pero pareho sila ng posisyon. Pareho sila ng posisyon nung Phil Oil. Hindi ko lang alam kung pareho pa rin sila ng posisyon heading into the season. And those two are our key forwards. Yun yung nasabihin ko kasi yun ang sure ako na pwesto nila eh. Forward. Hindi ko lang alam kung power forward or small forward sila ngayon. Francis Lopez and Aldo Torculas.
Mm. Okay.
Sila ang aking mga X factors. Um, bakit sila ang napili ko? If we think about it, nabanggit ni Enzo kanina, we lost Malik after 86. Now, heading into preseason of 87, hindi natin alam. They were playing big ng Phil Oil, pretty much. They were playing the 4 spot yata, most of 86 and preseason 87. And they were good at it. Yung palitan ni Francis at ni Aldous, and we saw that as well in 86. They were very effective on their roles. The improvement of Aldous from his rookie year ng 85 was totally different ng 86, wherein we finally saw his potential. A glimpse. A glimpse of his potential because I'm sure he's gonna be even doing better from 87. Of course, andyan na si Francis Lopez, our starter, our stretch for, if we may. So, kung isipin mo, pareho silang identical talaga yung laro nila. And it really helps the team. It helps the team stretch the floor. It helps the team get rebounds. It helps the
Mm.
team defensively. They're very, ano tawag dito? They are mismatch problems to other teams at their position. And now, they actually have the opportunity, the chance, the potential to even play wing. Considering that we have a QMB on the front line now. So kung isipin mo, pwede kang mag-line up ng QMB at the 5, Francis at the 4. Ah, hindi, sorry. Ashan, Alter, or Agani Stevens at the 4, Adikachi at the 4, a Francis Lopez at the 3, an Aldo Starculas at the 2, and a point guard of Raylan Torres at the 1. How's that for a big man lineup?
Parang covered na yung buong court.
Kung pag-zone mo yung 5 na yun,
Oo.
slot sila na ganyan. Hindi ko lang alam
Wala
paano
na. Hindi
lulusot.
ka na makadaan.
So, kung napansin nyo, tayo, hindi natin alam. Kami aware ni Enzo nung Phil Oil na may darating pa palang isang sentro sa team natin. So, we were thinking na, okay, we have 3 options at the center. Ito yung magro-rotate sa 5 spot natin. Dikachi, Sean, and Gani. But hey, look at us now. We have QMB who is pretty much, I would say, would be our starting center there. And now, we have more options at the wings, with Aldous and Francis having the ability to play those spots.
Tama. I
Yes.
agree. I agree. Oo nga, no? Ang flexible nga natin sa wings. Kasi nga, Aldous tsaka Francis, napaka-athletic pa nila.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Pero yung X factor ko, wing din siya eh. Wing din siya. X factor ko si Harold Alarcon.
Yep.
Tingin ko kasi si Harold yung steadily siya yung palaki ng palaki yung role sa team. Mula nung season 84.
Yes.
Tama, di ba? 84 sa
Oh,
rookie.
oh.
From 84 na medyo bench player lang siya.
Hindi natin siya kilala at all.
Di yan siya, I mean, di ba? Di yan siya kilala. Meron lang 1 or 2 games na nakascore siya. To season 86 na siya na yung gumagawa sa team when the team needs something. Ngayong season 87, tingin ko tataas pa yun. Especially with the departure of CJ Cancino na medyo somehow similar yung laro nila. Pareho yung character nila na matapang. Alam mo yun? Hindi susuko sa kung sino mang matchup niya. Hindi siya takot eh. Si Harold, hindi siya takot
On
na
both ends at that. On both
on
ends.
both ends. Kaya niya umatake, kaya niya tumira kung kailangan niya tumira. Nalala niyo ba yung turnaround fade away three-pointer niya nung kailan ba yun? Season 84 ba yun?
80 finals
85.
yun eh. Oh, 85 ata. Parang ganun.
Yun. Di ba? Meron siyang ganun eh. May killer instinct siya eh. Na parang silent, silent na instinct. Parang Kobe, ganun.
Mhm.
Tingin ko, yun yung mag-elevate sa team to another level pag na-harness yun ng tama ng team. Pag nagamit ng the rest of the team, yung energy na yun. And syempre, yung production niya.
Yes.
Kasi very consistent naman siya sa scoring niya eh. And with another year of growth, more training camp, I can't see why he can't take that next step na who knows, baka siya pa yung maging leading scorer natin.
Yep.
Di ba?
Mhm.
Pero yun, a lot will ride on his shoulders. Again, yun nga, pataas ng pataas yung role niya sa team. Ito na yung time niya to
Yeah.
be one of the actual main guys.
Yeah.
Kaya siya yung X factor ko.
Oh, actually, tama. Nasabi din naman ni Enzo. Mula 86 din pretty much si Harold yung tinitingnan na main guy ng natin. Hindi ko masasabi kung yung team eh, pero yung natin from the outsider's point of view. Pero if you think about it, ngayon nakita natin merong ibang mga nag-step up eh, di ba? Na we can't discount.
Oo.
You have our captain, Jerry Abadiano, being consistent ng Phil Oil in terms of scoring, in terms of playmaking, in terms of defense. And how intense was Jerry this preseason? And of course, how can we not note, we cannot discount the fact dun sa gutom ni JD Kagulangan on his final year playing for the Fighting Maroons. It shows already. It showed as well nung Phil Oil. It's been showing consistently game in and game out sa tune-ups sila na he's hungry for more si Maymay to end his career in the UAP with the championship. So talagang higil siya ngayon. And of course, we have our new ones. Jacob Baila. Still, he has a lot to prove. As well as Sean Alter sa atin. And again, the potential is there. Denzel Walker, Mark Belmonte, Raylan Torres. Itong mga to, Janjan Filisilda. Itong mga to, alam nating hindi pa yun yung ano nila eh. Hindi pa yun yung peak ng laro nila. Also, Terence Fortea. We barely saw him last season, but now, I think he's back. So, sino pa hindi ka nabanggit? So talagang coming from the coming from this season we had, it's hard to discount na puro positives talaga yung nangyari sa team natin with the results, basing it solely on the results that we had plus the recruits that we got. Okay? Yun lang. Kumbaga, if we were to describe this team and not hype this team, yun yung natin kasi. Yun yung resultang nilabas. Lumabas dun sa team output ng team na yun heading into 87. So we're
Mhm.
just basing it on facts here as of today. Then again, once the season starts and the jump ball sila on Saturday, it's gonna be a totally different story. It could go another way or it could improve for the better. So we'll see. We'll see what happens come September 2nd on Saturday. So far,
Yep.
again, we are liking what we see from the team.
Oo naman.
Di ba?
On paper, parang mga all-star team tong lineup natin.
Ano pang hihingi natin, di ba? Ano pang kulang sa team na yan na wala tayo? Parang mahirap nang ipinpoint kung meron bang ganun nga at this level of basketball. Parang, ano pa bang hihingi natin? Yun.
Oo, ang ano ko lang, dapat sana, tingin ko naman, kaya nilang wishful thinking or ewan ko kung kaya nga. Sana ma-stop natin si KQ, si Kevin
Oh,
Kembao. Kasi, ano siya rin yung match-up problem sa Lasal.
yes.
Kasi, di ba, kaya niyang pumoste, kaya niyang sumaksak, kaya niyang
Playmake.
mag-mid-range, kaya niyang mag-playmake, kaya niyang 3 points. Kaya niyang gawin lahat eh.
Mhm.
Sinong babantay sa kanya pag nandun siya sa kung saan man, 'di ba? I mean, marami tayong big men. Kaya nga it helps na ang dami nating pwedeng ilaro sa 4 and 5
Mhm.
na malaki, mahaba, and at the same time, athletic. Kaya maganda yung X factor mo na si Aldous tsaka si Francis. Kasi pag nasa labas si KQ, pwedeng sila. Pumasok siya, pwedeng yung iba.
Yep.
Yung mga mas pangbanggaan, 'di ba? Pero tingnan natin, hindi nga natin masasabi until maglaro na talaga sila actually.
No, yung Lasal, may bagong recruits din. Yung Konov, yung Dungo, yung Philips, andyan pa rin. So, hindi natin masasabi. Again, just like last season, akala natin atin na yung sa but nope. So, bilog pa rin ng
Mhm.
bola, everyone. So, again, it's gonna be a very exciting season for all of us, not just for UP fans, for all UAP schools. So, come out and support your teams. I'm sure every game is gonna be an exciting game.
Yep.
Sana walang matambakan maliban sa tambakan natin yung Ateneo sa Sabado. Yun yung gusto ko makita talaga. Okay. So we have to have
Let's go.
especially in that game on Saturday. I mean, everyone is raring to go. And yeah, yun. Yun lang talaga. Okay. Yo, everyone. So, we have our shirts. We have our Maroon Talk merch here. If you've been watching the past two episodes, ulitin lang namin. We're gonna be posting a pre-order form on our Maroon Talk Facebook page. And if you haven't liked our Facebook page, please do so. Lahat ng announcements dun. The details of the shirts, the merch. We also have sticks. And if you want to do that, if you want to get some of those, approach us during the games. And
Mhm.
yeah, So, where can they find you on Saturday?
On Saturday, wala ako sa Araneta. Wala ako sa Araneta. Nasa ano ako, Joe's Big Plate sa Molito, Alabang. Nasa Comedy
May
Bangers
show.
sa
May shows in.
Alabangers.
Yes.
Meron akong show 8:30 p.m. Marami pang tickets. Again, kasama namin dyan si Andren Bernardo, si Ray Mamuwad, si River Cruz, si Julius Lamonte, and si Kaloy Bunyi. And of course, yours truly.
Yes, sir.
So, yan, magagaling yan. Magagaling na mga comedians yan. Mag-enjoy kayo for sure. Tsaka yun nga, like I said dun sa isang episode, mas madaling bumili ng ticket dito kaysa sa UP
UAAP.
Ateneo.
Yep.
Sa UAAP.
Yep.
So, kung malapit lang kayo sa Alabang, kung gusto nyong mag-road trip papuntang south, ito na yung puntahan nyo. Diba? Kaysa matraffic kayo sa QC papuntang Araneta.
Yes. Sulit manood kila Enzo.
Sulit.
Sobra.
Mabubwisit lang kayo sa traffic, dito tatawa kayo. So, come on.
Yun. More than five comedians papanoorin, tatawa lang ang natatawa. So, sobrang sulit niya. Saan pala yun sa Molito, so? Hindi ako familiar dun sa ano. Alam mo ba kung saan?
Yung malapit lang sa gate tapat na ATC.
Hindi dun sa may draft. Hindi dun banda.
Hindi. Yung sa may ano, sa may Pure Gold.
Okay.
Yung sa kanto dun. Yung kantong, sa may wooden horse ba yun?
Okay. Hello ko na.
Yung katabi nun.
Oo. Okay, guys, Southeast, if you want to watch, go ahead. Sobrang sulit niyan. Kaysa pumunta kayo ng QC. May naman Pilipinas Live eh. Sobrang sulit ng Pilipinas Live. Okay? So yun. See you guys at the games. And as always, it brings joy to be able to say this again. UP fight, everybody.
Yes,
See you guys
UP
at the
fight.
game. Peace. Ingat,
Let's
Zoe.
go. Season 87, here we come.
Let's get it back, boys. Bye-bye. Good night.